Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a translation field in DeepL. Okay, so let's say that you want to translate something but the translation doesn't work or it's failed. Okay, so actually guys, first you will need to try this translation. Okay, so just tap on the translate again option and refresh the page or reopen the app. Okay, so to do that, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone, swipe up the app, so that way you will close it completely from the recent apps, and then just go ahead and reopen it. Okay, so the temporary glitches are very common in that case. Okay, also you'll need to reduce the text length, and that's very important. Okay, so DeepL may fail if the text is too long. Okay, so like too many paragraphs at once. So the fix is to split text into smaller parts and translate section by section. Okay, and also guys, you will need to check the file issues if uploading documents as well. So you'll need to make sure it's supported like PDF, docx, ppt, etc., and ensure the file is not corrupted. Okay, try resaving the file and uploading again. Also guys, the really advice is to check or to do a quick check to your internet connection. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Even you can restart your connection. Even small drops can cause this error. Okay, and if you are on a VPN or proxy, just go ahead, turn off the VPN, disable the proxy. The DeepL may block or fail requests from certain IPs. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.